If I have a limited daily budget and I'm generating leads for a personal injury sector where the CPC is very high, yeah, should I focus on just a couple of ad groups where the search volume is high? Okay, so there's two things you are saying here. You got a limited daily budget and you are generating leads, right? If you are generating leads at a good price, those attorneys or the lawyers will want more leads. So why not scale it? Tell your client, look, you are getting that lead for three, 400, whatever. And I know these are very expensive clicks, but you probably haven't looked at display or YouTube where you can get some very good quality traffic at a fraction of the cost. So you shouldn't have limited daily budget when your campaign is performing and is profitable. Then sky's the limit. So for a lot of our clients, we have been given the go ahead or the permission. Look, scale as much as you can, as long as my ROAS is the bare minimum X amount, or my cost per conversion is a maximum of this much. If you can get those within those metrics, scale as much as you want, spend as much money as you like. That's the kind of clients you want because that's how you scale your business and their business.